since nabanggit mo na you've been working sa corporate before, like, tingin mo, looking back, or kunwari, there's somebody na who was a day job that supports yung ano niya,
Mm.
yung monthly bills, di ba? Just to pay the bills. So sa tingin mo, what could you say to someone na who wants to get out dun sa corporate job niya and like try yung freelance? Like, so like any advice for them? Ano yung kailangan nila gawin? Do they need to save money? Or do they need to build skills pa muna? Things like that.
Well, pinakauna, lakas ng loob. As in confidence na, hindi
Okay.
kasi, paano ba, hindi siya madali. As in, it's really not easy kasi, una, financial stability mo, di ba? You're letting go of your day job. Uh, it means na you're also letting go of the stable source of income that you're receiving monthly. Tapos bigla kang mag-jump to a freelance world na hindi mo naman talaga alam technically kung kailan ka ulit makakabook ng next client or kailan ka pwedeng i-hire ng ibang studio to shoot for them as a freelancer. So, una is yung tibay ng loob mo kasi super matitest ka talaga na baka kung mahina kasi loob mo, baka saglit pa lang na wala kang nakukuha client, mag-apply ka na ulit sa corporate or sa anong previous work mo. Tapos pangalawa is yung financial stability mo syempre at the time. Do you have enough money to support you for at least 1 to 2 months na totally zero? Na, as in, walang papasok na pera sa'yo. Kasi it can happen talaga na lalo kung hindi mo naman na-build pa yung branding mo, wala pa masyadong market yung name mo, definitely kailangan mo ng financial capabilities to sustain yung current lifestyle mo and yung bills na binabayaran mo on a monthly basis ng for at least up to 2 months. And then, siguro third, definitely yung skill. Uh, Sabihin natin, okay, malakas loob mo. Okay, meron kang financial capacity to support yourself for at least 2 months. Pero wala pa lang skill. I mean, hindi mo man lang alam yung uh, exposure triangle. I mean, yung proper composition in terms of photography. How can you even try to book clients kung alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi mo pa naman pala talaga na-achieve yung ganong certain level of standard ng gawa. So I guess yung tatlong yun yung pinaka una kong naiisip na kailangan ma-secure mo before you jump from your day job to a freelancer. Pero siguro pwede rin naman actually parang testing period, kumbaga. You don't have to let go of your work agad-agad eh. Pwede naman on weekends or kung kailan man yung day off mo. You can always try to book clients pag day off mo kasi hindi mo pa naman totally sure talaga kung hanggang saan na yung kaya mong gawin as a freelancer sa umpisa eh. So, try to check muna kung gaano kalakas na yung branding mo and yung skills mo before you let go of your current work.